of the people of Nueva Ecija. Indeed, I am serving you elegance, prosperity, and hailing all the way from the fashion capital of the Philippines, the home of Our Lady of Perpetual Health. And I am giving you on stage our very own Sagala and Sunduan Festival, originated from Parañaque City. Indeed, I am Queen Josh Rabong 25. At ako ho, ang konteserang tinaguriang working student. Rest day ko po ngayon. Currently taking a Bachelor of Arts in Literary and Cultural Studies in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, San Tomas, Manila. Proud, dignified, and consistent per residence lister kahit magpakitaan pa tayo ng transcript of records. And I am indeed running candidate for summa cum laude. As I am venturing and helping the family as the breadwinner of the home. Indeed, I am a senior process executive in one of the most welcoming BPO company in BGC Taguig. Indeed, Cognizant Technologies Solutions Inc. But tonight, since this is a battle of screen names, allow me to carry the image of your good vibes queen, your Miss Earth 2025 Philippines, and your Miss Earth airtime. I am your tonight's Miss Joy Barton.